Today we're going to discuss types of web server available in the market, and how to select the one that satisfies your business need. I hope you've already watched my previous video on web server introduction to understand what a web server is, and how it operates. If you haven't, please watch the video here. In a nutshell, web server plays an important role in website hosting. It provides seamless client and server communication, manages server resources and ensures a consistent user experience. Now, let's take a look at various types of web servers available in the market, how to select one for your specific needs, and what are their limitations. I'll be covering most popular web servers in today's market. Number 1. Apache HTTP Server. Also known as Apache, is one of the most extensively used, open-source web server noted for its dependability, adaptability, and extensibility. It's appropriate for both, small as well as large-scale applications. It's customizable, extensible and compatible with various modules, and can be integrated with other technologies. It's used to deliver static and dynamic content, and run apps across many operating systems but primarily on Linux combined with MySQL database and PHP scripting to comprise popular LAMP web server solution. Number 2. Jinx. A high-performance, lightweight web server that excels at managing concurrent connections and handle huge traffic loads. Jinx is based on event-driven design and asynchronous processing. It provides speed and scalability with its decoupled design and reverse proxy ability. Jinx is used to handle high-traffic websites that need high level of security and improved performance. Number 3. Internet Information Services or IIS. IIS is a web server software program used to host websites on Windows servers. IIS supports Microsoft ecosystem such as Windows Server, SQL Server, SharePoint and ASP.NET, and provides an admin interface called IIS Manager. IIS has steadily improved and gained ground with its solid features, performance and security improvements over years. Number 4. Google Web Server or GWS. GWS is a customized web server designed to manage large amounts of traffic and provide information across numerous services, such as Google Search and YouTube. GWS is well known for its scalability, dependability, and integration with Google's infrastructure. It includes efficient caching technologies, content delivery systems, and sophisticated performance optimization approaches. This concludes our today's video on covering most popular web servers in today's market. Hope you learned a little something today. Thank you for watching. Comment below if you want me to cover any more topics like this. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Happy learning!